Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a SEALIGHT Snap and Go Cordless Pressure Washer. This thing is awesome. So let's open up and see everything that we get inside. Obviously, I got the battery charging. It comes with the charger and it comes with a second battery. So that's awesome. That's your directions. This is the handheld unit itself, quick and easy. And then in this toolbox, you get all the accessories. So just kind of give you a look at that. That's pretty great. So this is your water line. Basically, you fill up a bucket and then you drop that in, and then this connects to the bottom of this. So snaps in like that. So it comes with a soap dispenser, and basically what you do is you angle that in. Make sure you get it the right way. There we go. Then you have your power washer attachment. And this goes on pretty nifty. All right, tight fit. So has this extension that you can put in here. So basically what this does is that enables you to get underneath your car. I'll show you that outside a little bit more. And it comes with its own pressure tip on there. I mean, this has like so much stuff. It's crazy. And then this is your main pressure washer attachment that goes on. And then you basically just kind of like tighten that down. And then you have a bunch of different choice of sprays, 0, 15, 25, 40. So very cool. And that is basically everything. So let's go outside and try this out. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get the foam going. Okay, now we got this nozzle on. And this is what I was talking about to get like up underneath the wheel wells. Or if you live in an area that has like some high salt, you can get underneath your body. Spray all that salt and stuff out. Get inside the rim area. Get it all nice and clean. And the secret to a streak-free shine is using the leaf blower. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe and clean out there.